Whoa! Whoa! There's a new video this morning that some say may be proof we're not alone in the universe.
Is that UFO?
Amazing.
You can almost hardly look at it.
We've seen them in Mississippi like this, but never like never like that.
So is this UFO footage actually legit and real, or is it just a great elaborate hoax? Well, there's another camera view recorded by somebody else.
Bueno, se llegó la mata. Bueno, se llegó la mata. Whoa!
That video is quite interesting because in that video clip there's actually a flash that you can clearly see before the UFO takes off back into the sky.
Whoa!
Oh, and I forgot to mention there's two other angles, so there's a total of 4 angles.
Whoa! Whoa!
Video 4 is actually very clear, and you can clearly see it's actually some sort of shape like a UFO or like some ship, and when it flashes you can see it actually comes from that actual orb or UFO or whatever it is.
Whoa! Whoa!
So is this video fake, a hoax, or is it actually real? In my mind, after watching all the clips, I believe it's real. People say it's a hoax and it's fake, but you know what? People are going to doubt. People are always going to doubt. And what's weird is that's exactly what I pretty much saw, is a white light circle going up into the sky, stopping, flashing, and then just taking off, like just out of nowhere. So let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Do you believe it's an actual UFO? How can it be not a real UFO when there's different angles and many people filmed it? Anyways, let me know your thoughts and opinions. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and click that subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for the love and support. Take care, and God bless you all.